What are those? Raised patio area here, same height, some treads coming from this side, that side, wall going from there over to a fire pit, raised.
1 hour later.
And start screeting and laying after lunch. 5 minutes later, Bobby. First favors are going down, Bobby. We'll be done in 5 minutes. Check back. 30 seconds later, Bobby. Job site looks like a disaster area, but we'll get some video of Bobby without anything in the way. Probably seen the same of everything, Bobby. Same thing. Got a little more patio laid today. Some areas up the height. Doing some cutting here today, Bobby. Cut this edge. Hopefully the rain holds off. Cut along here, backside, over to the Velcro doors. Check back in 5.
5 minutes later.
Checking back in, Bobby. It's a big patio. A lot of cutting to do. Josh was here, did some block work so we can finish that paver work. Finish the cuts as far as we can cut today, or until Integrity finishes what they need to fix. To dig some footers. Started some treads. Kind of look like a war zone, but we'll make her look pretty. Pretty massive patio, Bobby. It only took 5 minutes to put in. I'm sorry, maybe 10, because it's a little bigger than our usual. Sorry, Bobby, I haven't done any video for a while. Some steps in the sun shelf. And those steps are going to go up right there. Come back down here. on the step. Get the easy joint in. Up to there, because the pool guy's got to move that railing. I feel like you're saying the same thing over and over, Bobby. I ain't got much for you there.
One shift later.
Lights going underneath that. One more to them in then. A little plants, mulching. And we gotta make a circle all the way around.
Soon after.
Homeowners couldn't wait till the patio's done to put the patio furniture on, so they started putting it on. Looks nice. Put it in the pool. That's where we're going to be on Friday. Josh was here and did some pillars for us, so and Bert laid the rest of that patio. We'll be cutting probably 3/4 of the day tomorrow. A lot of cutting. Then jump up there and start doing some broken flagstone. What are you doing, Josh?
Hey, dude.
Just starting a little veneer?
Just learning.
Just learn.
I watched some YouTube this morning, so
Next, apply the stone veneer.
let's see if it works.
The next day.
What are those? Greg's got safety boots on today.
Yes, I do. Don't, Bobby, I didn't get a chance to cut my toenails, so
Look at those hats,
don't
though.
look at them. They're nice,
Those
man.
hats.
They're sharp.
Woo! Take care of these guys.
Yes.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Do you like me? If you do, please say